Court orders 10-day police custody to Naurem Duijamani, prime suspect in fashion designer Robert Naurem's mother Naurem Rekha's murder case. Airport Authority of India assures of world-class integrated terminal building worth over 7,000 crore rupees at Imphal International Airport. Construction begins on October 2. Technopole police nabbed around 10 Rohingya Muslims illegal migrants from Myanmar, including a mastermind at Moray town. Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB Manipur seizes 7 kg of heroin powder worth around 7,000 crore rupees in international market. And the first session of 17th Lok Sabha begins on June 17 and Rajya Sabha holds sitting from June 20 onwards. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rubusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West 2 Lamphel has ordered Naurem Duijamani, the prime suspect in the murder of fashion designer Robert Naurem's mother, Naurem Rekha, into police custody for 10 days. Naurem Duijamani was produced before Judge Morangthem Hiralata around 3 p.m. today. He denied involvement in the cold-blooded murder of his wife Naurem Rekha at her residence on May 29. Duijamani was produced before the court today following his arrest by Singjamei police on suspicion last evening. Investigating officer of the murder case produced evidences collected from the crime scene along with a report before the judge. Responding to the judge's inquiry, Duijamani flatly denied killing his wife. He appeals to find the real murderer of his wife at the earliest. Regional Executive Director of Airport Authority of India, Sanjeev Jindal, has announced that construction of an integrated terminal building worth 7,025 crore rupees at Imphal International Airport will start on October 2 to ensure its completion within 3 years. Speaking to media at the conference hall of Imphal International Airport today, Sanjeev Jindal stated that the soon-to-be constructed world-class integrated terminal building will be one of its kind in India, asserting that construction of the new IT building will require no land acquisition. He also said that it will be 5 times bigger than the existing one. Sanjeev Jindal stated that exterior design of the building is inspired by the rich cultural heritage of Manipur. He further assured that operation of the airport will not hamper the state's resources in any manner, as electricity required for utilization in the airport will be generated from solar energy and rainwater will be conserved to meet its water requirement. He further stated that solid waste of the airport will be treated to prevent pollution. The regional executive director stated that around 100 experts with international experience will work day and night to complete the project on time.
Manipur is a beautiful place. If we are going for such a massive expansion, we will make sure we are not, making any negative impact on any of the environmental or ecological system or any flora, fauna, people around, all the stakeholders or any stakeholder, all the stakeholders are not affected by our development. Whatever land we have, we don't need even a single square meter of extra land. Not only now, in another 15 years, airports expansion do not need even a single piece of additional land.
Technopole District Police has nabbed around 10 Rohingya Muslims illegal migrants from Myanmar, including a mastermind at Moray town near Indo-Myanmar border in Technopole District. Technopol police said that, acting on a tip-off, 4 Rohingyas, including 2 women from a checkpost near Technopol district headquarters, were apprehended for possessing fake Aadhaar cards on May 27, and that the following day, 9 other Rohingyas, including 3 women and 4 children, were also nabbed from various places in Mori town. Speaking to media, SP Technopol Th Vikramjit said that the arrested Rohingyas entered with fake Aadhaar cards. He said investigation revealed that one Tahir Ali, a Rohingya who had married a local Manipuri Muslim woman, was involved in arranging illegal transportation of these foreigners. Ali was arrested from Sora locality in Thoubal district on Friday. The SP said that the arrested Rohingyas can neither speak Hindi nor English, leading to communication problems. It may be mentioned that Mohammad Tahir is from Rakhine state of Myanmar and used to reside at Sora Ching Wangma in Thoubal district.
Rohingya haiba moi manga si angi yada mongda valid document yaudana changpagi damak apuna moi si detain thoki phagi amsung mathangi numita concern magistrate ki da putoki makha ta investigation thijanbadagi khangwangam ki madudi haiba Rohingya sing asi Tahir Ali haiba Rohingya amana mastermind oiraga Imphal phawraga Mori tamna pusilakibani haiba aduna Tahir Ali se khoina phana kanna honaki Madugi Makata Tijilakpa investigation part of Moina, Tahir Ali Sekuna Tai Contragi, Anganmada, Swaragi, Mapama Madagi, Lokoti. Amsung, my consent magistrate, Ministrator Putolaga, and Matungina, Makata, Chatabum Topa.
A special team of Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB Manipur confiscated 7 kg of heroin powder, brown sugar worth around 7 crore rupees in international market yesterday. The team seized the contraband drugs from 2 miscreants near Koirengei CRPF gate under Imphal East Haingang police station around 5:30 p.m. The miscreants are identified as 25-year-old Muhammad Nawaz Khan, son of Muhammad Nasir from Lilong Chaigao, and 25-year-old Muhammad Riaz Khan, son of Muhammad Chauba from Phabak Chau Makhalaikai. NAB Manipur has registered a case against them and investigations are underway. As a part of security measures taken in the state, Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at Pauna Bazaar areas like Imphal Polo Ground, BT Road and near MPP office today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations, Imphal West Police Aribam Ganesham, carried out a search drive from 3:50 to 4:20 this afternoon. Altogether, 213 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 13 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Students of Pidambara English School, Kwakaitel, who secured high marks in the recently announced High School Living Certificate Examination 2019 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur, BOSEM, were felicitated in the school campus today. BOSEM Secretary Dr. Chithung Mary Thomas presented cash award to first position holder of the HSLC examination, Bhumika Samurai Latpam, in the event. 34 other students of the school who secured first division, including Aribam Indu Babu, who secured 25th position in the examination, were also felicitated in the event.
I invoke the blessing of the Almighty God on the teachers and the management of Pitambara School, that with dedication, with purpose, with vision, that they will bring forth what they have dreamt, what they have aspired to bring, so that Pitambara School will make a difference in the educational scenario of the landscape of Manipur, that the education system will change in Manipur through and beginning from Pitambara School.
St. Thomas High School, Konta Halub, also felicitated its student M. Julindia, who secured third position in the recently announced HSLCE 2019 conducted by BOSEM today. Speaking in the event held at the school auditorium, Social Welfare Director N.G. Uttam asserted that education is essential in every aspect of life. He reminded that education is not meant for securing government jobs only. N.G. Uttam also cautioned that intoxicants abuse and mobile phone addiction have similar negative impact on students. The school felicitated Julindia with a laptop and a cash award. Attendees of the event also presented gifts and cash awards to her in the program.
oina mai pa ke hai re di lairik pa ga dau ni hai re lairik pa ning go phau dre kari ni no sida ni la ga doi se lairik tu na nang gi hingna ba gi pambai ni nang lairik sin na traga di mai chupak pa oe nang gi wa khan da hek phau ko nu mi tu da ne ba nang na lairik na khala ga doi se nang gi lairik se pa ra ga nang ji sum chala class 10 la la 12 la la graduate yora kan da nang ura ane ba adu de ai karom da chat si ge je nang picture je clear ko la ura ane adu de gi nang gi apam ba career chat pe ya ka doi adu chhatra ma gi suba nom ba gi atadi kari no lairik tu pa adu ga hojik lai ri ba education system sida nang na haina ba subject tu tang pa ba su ya de subject makhal su na pass to ba ya de adu na haina gera haina roina ngasai nang gi YouTube yeng bu tu phana nungai hai ra su nang gi haina da subject to pa ho to ya da ba matang ni hojik wa ba ga ko na wa ba ga kara mana phagi hai adu gi apam bu to nang gi thut ta lai de
Apunba Irepaki Mahiroi Shingpanglup Ames in a press release condemns the delay in the arrest of gang members who circulated fake certificates of Assam Sanskrit Board. Ames urged the relevant authorities to take necessary action at the earliest. Members of a Joint Students Coordinating Committee JSCC today seized huge quantity of tobacco products during its ongoing drive against sale of tobacco products within 100-meter radius of any educational institutions. JSCC conducted anti-tobacco drives at shops located in and around DM College, GP Women College, TG Higher Secondary School and Oriental College, Tera, and suspended around 11 shops for selling tobacco products. Speaking to media at MSF office in Kwakatil today, JSCC Media Coordinator Mohammad Sazad stated that the seized products will be set ablaze at Lamphel Pat. He also urged the Health Department to offer assistance in building a healthy society.
JSCC na hanjin tobacco products in Yondanaba, built over Amadi, I think Bagat Tamgrabasu, I have tobacco, nicotine products in a Mapong Kudimaki, Levak Miam, the Airway Daba, Lady Brana Traga, Turkey radius, a cry for area noise, Kangabagi, Adumba Yamata Baitare. Asugumba area Sida, Marilenaba, Health Department, Makada Labor Mission Department, institution, my tapam singing a sigi, Aquiba, 100-meter radius, line of happy on a
Members of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO today carried out drives to check price hike of commodities in view of Eid festival at Tangal Market. They suspended some shops for selling items without price tags. Members of All Manipur Muslim Students Organization AMSO also raised awareness to shop owners in Pauna markets not to sell goods without price tags and not to hike prices of commodities in view of Eid festival of Muslim community. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on first session of 17th Lok Sabha election, which will commence on 17th of this month. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. The first session of the 17th Lok Sabha will commence on 17th of this month. The Rajya Sabha will have its sitting from 20th onwards. Briefing reporters after the cabinet meeting in New Delhi last evening, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said the session will continue till 26th of next month, and the election for the Speaker of the lower house will be held on 19th of June. The President will address the joint sitting of both the Houses of Parliament on the 20th. The economic survey will be tabled on 4th of July and the Union Budget will be presented on the 5th of July. In his first decision after being sworn in to head the government for a second time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who had made national security an important plank in the elections on Friday, approved a major change in the Prime Minister's scholarship scheme under the National Defence Fund. Rates of scholarship given under the scheme to children of those in defence forces who lost their lives while defending the country have been increased from 2,000 rupees per month to 2,500 rupees per month for boys and from 2,250 rupees per month to 3,000 rupees per month for girls. Pradhan of Pumlo Gram Panchayat, Maishna Manik Chan today provided financial assistance to a physically challenged 35-year-old Tonjam Chabi, son of Tonjam Pishak and Tonjam Ongbi Yumjang from Pumlo Gram Panchayat, Senjam Kuno Makhalekai in Sekmai constituency. The Pradhan appeals to the relevant authorities to initiate works to ensure the destitute family benefits under PMAY scheme before the onset of monsoon. 85% physically challenged Tonjam Chabi lives with his aged parents in a deplorable house amid hardships. Pradhan Manik Chan expressed discontentment that despite submission of necessary documents, there is no action taken till date. Tonjam Chabi's aged parents are both deprived of old age pension.
Yamba Roman go Taiwan ge hojiki cherauching gongde lebiriba yamba Romanzina lakidana mana lupa lising taruk tengwanda mateng bibiramaga ai Jenims the Chacharore 85% izare certificate pizare go pira matung juda yamu halaga koi chochoba pia da thajin jagre thajin jar matung juda hoje akoi gi card mama bigane na hoji ho bibi da leire chahi humpu Mari Manga Susan Jara of the Imao Baba Makoijim Tanga, Chigumbo Oli Pension Junanga, Hapsen Binabagi Damatayam, Kunjiki, Patan or Vazu, the member will believe a Mohana Yankan Hona Birigo, Sembidana, I don't think my partner to Binabagi Damatay, Hazuri.
Speaking to Impact News, Pradhan of Pumlo Gram Panchayat, Maishna Manik Chan reiterated that relevant documents have been already submitted to construct a house for Tonjam Chabi and his family under PMAY Housing for All scheme. He claimed that relevant officials have not started processing the same. Manik Chan asserted that efforts are on along with the local MLA to provide benefits under Chief Minister Gi Sotharba Singhi Tengbang to Tonjam Chabi and benefits under CMHT scheme and all age pension to his parents.
PMAY yum sabagi akoi already hapsagare geotech logre magi tonganba aduma leigre adagi magi hana phangamdaba job card su akoi aigi yamba ward member tawrim saga loina na chenbiraga job card su phangre koina ngamba site ta panchayat ki level na ngamba sakta hairagadi koina ma MG narega gi the individual work haina amal lei individual work sida magi koina sanaba mana yen loige haibasu bigaribu oju ya sanbu loibu amabu hekta maga sanaba ama koina hapa haibasi akoi gi mathoni na akoi mage soidam ki hapani
majana pasina yum pu gadabasida masu.
Taking part in the visit, Ward member Taure Minaucha stated that elected members have submitted relevant documents to the relevant offices to provide benefits of various government schemes to destitute families under Pumlo Gram Panchayat Wards number 4. However, things have not materialized owing to work delays by officials concerned. He urged the relevant authority to look into the matter without further delay.
Koi magi thabam thokpa koi first priority pidana yam section na haidi soidana koi thajaki tawudabu koi hojiji sarkar gi magai dagi koi yum saba yabagi role si ayabji piraktaba maramna koi thabosi paikhatpa ngamjadabani ahalani se koi oles pension phangbagi dahi matang di chare koi ahalani se koi voter ID card asi pairamdaba maramna koi na operation na changuba matamda aadhar card amadi koi voter ID na chingba koi submit tawgadabani ha takpirak matamda koi voter ID se puthokpa ngamdaba maram oina ahalani se koi oles thabi khudong chabati phangjaudre gi sarkagi operation gi magai dagi asugumba kitang natai chadaba singsi gi orangadi document ji kitang komthok pire hairaga aadhar card na adu mohu sembiraga oles ni phangba khotpa masi khakina taba atai atopa area jaga da mayam su lerangani adugadi khoi hena khudong chaba che panchayat grass level da laiba singsi gi hena khudong chaba oigini.
Bijoy Govinda Gram Panchayat under Patsoi City Block held a district-level social audit meet at Takiel Lampak Community Hall today. Resource persons enlightened the attendees on how to apply for various schemes like Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana and Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Chaghau Poiriton Organic Producer Company Limited, a farmer producer company in Imphal West today, distributed black aromatic rice for sowing to farmers of Chandel and Churachandpur districts under the initiative of Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region of the Agriculture Department. The distribution event was held at Sagol Tongba in Imphal West district. Lions Club of Imphal Global and Mega Manipur School jointly organized a one-day awareness program on tree plantation in view of the upcoming World Environment Day today. Director of Mega Manipur School S. Ratan Kumar, Global Secretary of Lions Club of Imphal C.H. Bidesh and Zone Chairperson T.H. Bijaya attended the event held at Mega Manipur School. Tree saplings were also planted in and around the school after the awareness program. Members of social media group Manipur Updates Group also planted tree saplings at CC High Secondary School campus in Sanjenthong as a part of its campaign Mission Green Manipur today. Porampad Police team led by OC of Porampad Police Binod Kumar and students of the school also took part in the tree plantation drive. Sahitya Academy and Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy jointly held a documentary film festival at the auditorium of the academy in Khoyatong today. A documentary film based on the biography of one of the oldest renowned writers of the state and Sahitya Academy awardee E. Sonamani, produced by renowned filmmaker Aribam Sham Sharma, was released and screened on the occasion. Aribam Sham Sharma's documentary film based on renowned writer late Maharaj Kumari Binodini and documentary films entitled Poetry of Northeast by Rakesh Srivastava and Sahitya Academy by Gulzar were also screened in the event. Speaking in the event, a renowned writer E. Sonamani urged the upcoming youths of the state to take eminent roles in preserving and promoting the literature of the state. Books published by Sahitya Academy were also exhibited on the occasion. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Court orders 10-day police custody to Naurem Dwijamani, prime suspect in fashion designer Robert Naurem's mother, Naurem Rekha's murder case. Airport Authority of India shows off world-class integrated terminal building worth over 7,000 crore rupees at Imphal International Airport. Construction begins on October 2. Technopol police naps around 10 Rohingya Muslims illegal migrants from Myanmar, including a mastermind at Moray town. Narcotics and Affairs of Bodam NAP Manipur seizes 7 kg of heroin powder worth around 7,000 crore rupees in international market. And the first session of 17th Lok Sabha commences on June 17 and Rajya Sabha holds sitting from June 20 onwards.